Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to explain a complete multi-agent AI application which I have built using Microsoft Foundry. This is not going to be a simple chatbot where we upload one PDF and ask questions. We are going to build an enterprise style operations intelligence system named as OpsIntel. So you can see my project name over here. So this will contain multiple specialized AI agents. One agent will understand companies' policies, SOPs. Another agent will analyze the structured operational data. A supervisor agent will decide uh, which question should go to which agent. And when a question requires both policy knowledge and operational data, both the specialist. So from specialist, I mean to say AI agents will work together, and a synthesis agent will generate the final answer. So by end of this video, our workflow will look like this. Yeah. So this would be our workflow. Now, before running deep dive into agents and workflows, so I want to tell you that Foundry runs on top of Azure, so we definitely need a subscription and a resource. So we can create a resource from here, and from resource, I mean to say that we can consider resource as a building, and different rooms inside that building are the projects. So now once we create the resource, you can see all the cost and everything what we have. You can search Foundry and it will land you into onto this page. Now from here you can build an agent or anything. So before that, we have to first create our project. It will give you an option over here, create a new project. Then most of this project we are going to spend our time under the build section. Okay, so yeah, let's go to build. Now over here, so the agents and I would say agents are our AI workers. Uh, Workflow defines how those agents work together, and then there will be another thing. Let me tell you. One would be routines. So one is agent, one is routine, one is workflow. So coming on the routine part, so these are used when we want an agent to run automatically, or when we want to schedule it. Now coming to the business problem. So employees often need to check company's policy, operational data together to make the right decision. Example, they may need to know the official debit dispute SLA, and then check which current cases are already past that limit. So in this project, we will make it a bit easier by using different AI agents to find policy, analyze the data, then combine both of them to give a clear answer. So from an AI agent, I will I would say it is more than just a model. The model gives it intelligence, instructions. Let's see one of the agents. So over here you can select which LLM you need. You can name it. These are the instructions. You can improve the instructions, but I did not use that part. There are tools. There are knowledge, memory, guardrails. So it knowledge helps to access the documents and business info. Memory helps it understand previous messages, and guardrails add safety and control to make the agent a bit more reliable. I'll tell you about the guardrail. So this is jailbreak. If you can put the risk type, and then if some special like special data which you need to protect, or suppose if somebody is trying to get some information from the chat agent, like from the LLM model, so it will prevent everything. So these are the guardrails. Now in this we have four agents. I will tell you about the supervisor agent first. So it mainly uses instructions and structured output. The job is to read user's question and decide which agent it should refer to, or fall back. What do we need to do further? And there were no documents required. Now coming to the knowledge agent, so it uses instructions along with policy documents. These are the documents which I have uploaded. It Its main job is to give policy based answers for which I have already loaded the documents. Now, coming to the data agent, it it uses instructions plus tools such as code interpreter, and you can see the CSV over here. So its job is to analyze the structured data, calculate counts, case IDs, and answering data related questions without making up the records. And now coming to the last agent, which is the synthesis agent, it receives the output from knowledge and data agents. Its job is to combine both the answers and give something clear, some clear output. So before we build go into the workflow, let me quickly explain how document search works. Instead of reading every document from um, start to finish, the content is split into smaller chunks and then converted into embeddings. Basically, numerical representations of meanings. So these numbers are called vectors, and similar pieces of text have similar vectors. So we can use Azure AI search can store document content vector keyword or hybrid search. So in this current project, I kept it a bit simpler. I uploaded the documents directly to to the knowledge agent and used Foundry managed file search capability. So it would handle much of chunking and embeddings and retrieval. Now let's go to the workflow. So this is the chart. As the agents were ready, so we can connect them using the workflow. The workflow decides how agents work together. The supervisor first classifies the question as knowledge, data, or both. So this is the supervisor agent, which is selecting which it should, like, is it a data-based question? Is it a knowledge-based question? So which agent would be much better to solve the question? Now, these are the blocks. These are the routing logic for supervisor output. So in this project, we are not scheduling it, but can be done using routines, which I showed you before showing you the workflow too. So that if you want to run it automatically, we can also publish it You can create it, you can publish it in Teams, Microsoft 365 Copilot. We can also do the testing, so like evaluation, traces, monitoring. Now, what we'll do is I'll ask a question. Mm, yeah. So using companies case data, which debit disputes are in reach. Um, Answer in short. So now it will run the model. It will select where. Um, so you can see that it has already passed. It selected the second agent for data agent. Now after, so it has given us the records. Now going to the traces, it helps us to inspect the request like step by step. If you want to debug, now going to the monitor, it helps to see agent runs, cost and failures. Then yeah. Now I want to tell you one thing about workflows. So one important thing is Foundry Workflows is being retired in December, and all the moving orchestration to Microsoft Agent frameworks. So now this completes the explanation for our multi-agent project, which we built specialized agents for policy, data, and added guardrails, monitoring, scheduling concepts. I hope you guys liked it and found it helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.